Okay guys, this video will save you a lot of problems if you use Binance. Almost everybody now is trading their coins by themselves with Binance, and we can make a whole lot of mistakes if we are not aware. And they say something that ignorance of the law is not an excuse. Because you're ignorant of things you should do doesn't mean you're not going to go in for it if you fall into trouble. A lawyer friend of mine was telling me about the case he was handling, that a group of persons made some transaction in Binance, and the guy is now in custody. Not just that, there are many cases of where people have been fallen victim to scam in Binance, especially in P2P. So a lot of people go into P2P, they don't really understand how they go about it. And we as youths, we are always in a rush to do things. You might fall into trouble without knowing. So share this video to your friends, because this video will save you from a whole lot of troubles. There are things you don't understand that by the end of this video you're going to understand them. Now, before you go into P2P, understand something. People do money laundering in different ways. People can actually get coin from you as a means of payment and send you money from a hacked account or from a money laundering route which you don't know, and you one day get a call from the FBI or from the police or EFCC, and you see them coming after you, and you start accounting for what you don't understand. Now, before you go into P2P or before you trade with somebody, I believe everybody here has intentions or knows someone who has a Binance account and does P2P. Make sure you pay attention to stuff like this before you trade with someone or when you receive payment from someone. Make sure that the name in the Binance registration or the name in the Binance app matches with the name you're receiving money from. If they should use a different account to send or receive money from you, it's going to be a whole lot of troubles if that account was used for money laundering or it was a hacked account. Because what they do is that when they hack accounts from top men or rich people, they send out the money from that account to another account and receive coin. And this is mostly done with crypto, P2P, precisely with Binance. And you wouldn't know. You release the coin to them and you think you're free. They will block their account and go away with their money and enjoy their life. Then you start answering for what you don't know. One day you see police in your house and they start telling you whether are you the owner of this account, or probably they will close down your bank account. And maybe you go to the bank to complain. You just see police all around you, and when they take you to the office station, you start accounting for money you don't know how it came about. So you need to be very smart. Make sure that whoever you're dealing with in Binance P2P, the name in his Binance app or merchant app is the same name from the bank account he's sending or receiving money from. If not, don't send. If it's even in the Binance terms and conditions, most of us don't even read it. We just proceed with the transaction. But you have to calm down and read those things so you don't fall into trouble. So make sure that the name matches with the name in the bank account you're sending or receiving, in order for you not to fall into trouble. So guys, share this video to your friends. This video is going to save them from a whole lot of troubles. Until next time guys, let's call it a day.